primetime news this evening, body of missing Deputy Commissioner of Corrections found in ravine of Spurtree Hill. Police investigate possibility of foul play. Convicted serial rapist sentenced, victims' relatives and residents in St. Thomas react. And market fire in Linstead reignite security talks, while Portland victims set to get help.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Janella, this evening we're talking about the goods producing industry, sectors such as agriculture, construction and manufacturing. More from the PIOJ later in the business day.
Okay, and Karen is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, it's the bane of an athlete's existence, injury, and with days to go before the exciting Racers Grand Prix makes a return, two of the country's fastest sprinters have been forced to withdraw.
And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Now, interests are watching an area of low pressure that could possibly become a tropical cyclone over the next few days. It is in the Gulf of Mexico, and I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are you most concerned about in your community for the hurricane season?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
That's it.
Yes.
All right. All right, please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.